So you probably noticed, still not back at the canal. Don't worry, it's being filmed. We're still here in Can Picafort. We're going to have a walk by the bars and restaurants down on the seafront, and one of the restaurants has quite a unique way of displaying the food options. So come with us, I'll show you what's happening. Just having a walk by the beach now, near the restaurants, and you'll notice actually that they've removed all the beds and brollies that you used to have. The ones you used to have to pay for that had a little safe on there. They've all been removed now, so it's a beach, free beach. Get your towel out, just find somewhere to lie down, you'll be good. Well, you've got bars on the front over here as well. Grab yourself a beer or a coffee, even a bottle of water, and enjoy. Let's say it's a pretty gorgeous view. Look at people watching. We've also got all along the front this wall here. You can stop and have a sit down when you've had enough and that heat's got to you. You got through that market, you're probably better at a bar reel. Get in one of the bars. Plenty around here. Get yourself a nice cocktail or a beer. A nice coffee maybe. Quite busy. You've got the sound of the waves. A bit of music playing in the background. Oh yes, enjoying your day. A lot of mix. Find a lot of Germans, English, Italians and Spanish. And this is just before, just at 11 o'clock. It's fairly busy now. People at this hotel here, THB Hotels. They're out on the front with the pool there. You can see the rooms. We've got swing chairs on them. That's pretty cool. Barns Arbors. This one plays extremely loud music at night. They're quite funky stools to sit on. Some Cerveza beer kegs that they've converted into stools. Oh no, at the top there. Looks like they're the ones for the bottles as well, converted them into stools. That's pretty cool. Little supermarket there on the front. If you need some essentials. Who doesn't need a dolphin, boat dolphin, when you're on holiday in a sunbed? Oh. Look how busy the beach is now. Extremely busy. The sea looks lovely today. Get yourself in there for a quick dip. It's out down there now. No sunbeds anymore. You just find your own place. Personally, I think it's better. I'd rather find my own place rather than being stuck on a bed you got to pay for. Going back down to the more shops. some cafe. Let's see this building here. Let's see if I've got this the right way. Oh, there you go. Look at that. I've painted that up there. Quite impressive. Someone's not happy there. Well, Pirates, Burgers and Steakhouse. Start filling up soon. People ready for some lunch. People there now just enjoying the views. I didn't notice these poles the other day. I wonder if they're putting the beds back in again. I bet they are. Oh well. Yeah, these poles are new in. They've not been there over the last few days. So it looks like the beds are coming back again that you need to pay for. So yeah, I have been informed that the beds are definitely coming back. It looks like they might have done a full refurb on them this year. So, what are we? Mid-May. So they'll be back up and running for full season, won't they? Looks like they're putting them in this week. Maybe I'll manage to get you a view of them when they're in. You can have a look, see what they've done to them. If you're interested. If not, just enjoy the views. Oh, stunning days again. Bit of shopping. Need to buy yourself anything nicer than you'd find on the market. Some of it looks quite decent. I don't know if one is one of those shops that sells all legit stuff or its own stuff. If you know, let us know in the comments. I'll stop off just here for a nice cocktail or a mojito. Even an English breakfast if you really want. Ice creams look nice over there. Just further down here, this place with its famous plastic food. Cakes there. Beer. There you go, on this famous plastic food. As long as my bolognese doesn't come out looking like that, I'll be happy. That burger's a proper stack burger as well. An idea of some of the prices for pizzas. Seafood pizza, tuna prawns, squid mussels, €22. And then which brings down a touch. And there you go. Your salads, and classic burgers and so on. And then you get another supermarket. You'll not be short of anything you need really. With your Lay's crisp, as we call them in the UK, Walkers. Their garden is terror up there. keeping everyone safe on the beach. And he's got a jet ski. I want that job. Guancho. Not open yet. I saw people eating the other night there, that looked really nice. Fish pedicure. Another nice restaurant. With some very funky seating. Very retro, very space 1999. Getting close to the end of the beach area now. As you get further down the beach, or the walkway disappears and it's beach only. Place isn't open today. It was definitely open yesterday. Looks like he's just getting ready to open up. Yeah, he's just putting his cushions out. And just down here. At the end of the walkway. Well, there you go. That was a quick look at the bars and restaurants in Can Picafort. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, consider hitting that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Well, there you go. That was a quick look at the bars and restaurants.